Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change forward focus brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Make sure you have your new brake pads ready. Safety is key, so always wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Having a sturdy jack stand is also crucial for your safety. Now let's get those old pads off. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on your wheel, then safely raise your forward focus and secure it with a jack stand. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and unbolt the caliper mounting bolts, typically 14 mm or 15 mm. With the caliper loose, you can carefully slide out the worn brake pads. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Use a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Now, carefully insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, reposition the caliper over the new pads and rotor, then securely tighten the mounting bolts, often to 21 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts, then carefully lower your forward focus. Once on the ground, tighten the lug nuts to about 94 to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Finally, test your new brakes at a low speed in a safe area to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.